Oh, only 38.
Holy shit, 38 pounds. All right, do mine.
It's not bad with the...
For one night. You'll learn though, you'll learn, it's okay. 25.
Yep.
All right, are you ready?
Almost.
First pass. We'll see how I feel at the bottom of the second.
That's big. I'm thinking like down there, but like more towards the tree line.
Came from that pass. Get to watch the sunrise over there in the morning.
Yeah.
First time using a camp stove on your own.
All on my own. Let's hope I don't blow us up.
It'll start to fizz.
Okay.
And you just keep twisting.
Okay.
Oh, it never did.
All right, now I know.
You got to turn the gas on.
Okay, and that's...
Yep.
Now it's fizzing. And then...
There you go. You did it. You didn't blow us up.
How can I tell where it's supposed to be? I don't even see any flame.
An expired nor pasticide.
Is it expired?
Probably. I think I've had it for several years. But it smells amazing. What's yours?
Mine is chicken teriyaki.
Yum. I sure wish all these birds would shut up. Maybe we'll get some sleep tonight if they ever go to bed.
Yeah, but then they'll be up at the butt crack of dawn too.
I guess they'll wake us up. Good morning. Everything's cleaned up. There's a nice little camp spot, even though it was at an angle. It's all downhill from here.